back to another video of rebuilding a wrecked 2013 Audi S5. In this video, we are going to be putting in the headlights, the bumper, and the hood. So let's go. Alright guys, so we just put in the headlights and they're working perfectly well. We put in the hood just for now to see if there are any major gaps between the fender headlight and the hood, but luckily there are no major gaps. But we have one little issue. A check engine light popped up on our dashboard, and that is only because when we were replacing the core support, we took off the reinforcement bar, and there was this one little outside air temperature sensor that was with it, and we threw it off, but we bought a new one. So we're gonna plug that in and hopefully the check engine light goes off. So let's go. Alright guys, so we just plugged in the outside temperature sensor. So let's go ahead and see. Start the car and see if it will show us the temperature outside. Alright, start. Alright, so that is a good news. It is showing us 85, which is the temperature outside. The check engine light, we'll just probably have to take that off because it's showing us the temperature. Yep, that's about it. Alright guys, so there is a bit of a damage on the edge of the hood, so we're gonna have to sand this down and put a body filler on. So let's put you guys on time lapse.
So guys, we are done with the body filler. The next step is going to be wet tongue the hood Once we sand this down, we're gonna move on to the bumper, sand that one down so we can paint it together. So let's go ahead, sand it down with the 320 grit. After that, we're gonna move on 600 to 1000 and smooth it out. Then we're gonna shoot for the paint.
Alright guys, so we are done with the 320. We are going to be moving with the 600, so let's go.
So guys, we are done with the 600 grit. Come here, let me show you guys how smooth it came out. It came out really smooth. And next step is gonna be 1000 grit. After 1000 grit, I'm pretty sure it came out like smooth as a silk, and then it's gonna be ready for paint.
Alright guys, so we are finally done sanding down the hood. It is clean and smooth. It's time to sand down the bumper, so let's go sand it down with the 320.
Alright guys, we got everything we need to paint this bumper and the hood. So let's go ahead, mix our primer so we can lay the first coat of primer.
Alright guys, so we are finally done painting the bumper and the hood. That was it for this video. In the next video, we are going to be putting everything back together, and we will try to do some new mods on it and make it an aggressive look on the car. And hopefully if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep watching Build Beats. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.